Одари меня, 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 одари меня. Hey y'all, Stephanie Andre here, and first and foremost, I would like to say hello to anyone new here. I hope that you enjoy the video and will subscribe. And to my old subscribers, what's good? So today I'm going to show you how I got this sleek and slick bun look. And not only am I going to show you how I did this, but I'm going to show you how I prep for it, because typically if I go straight into a bun style like this, it's because I'm going to wear it like that for days to a week. And I want to make sure that my hair is thoroughly moisturized before going into any protective style. Because as you can see, my ends are not out. So, I mean, of course you could do this and then just wear your hair out in a ponytail. I mean, that's cute too. But this is a protective style for me, so I want to show you how I prep my hair and how I did this look. So if you want to see how to get this style, this look, this sleek, slick, side parted bun, then keep watching. So I'm starting out this style on freshly shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned hair. The first thing I'm going to do is take a Rattail comb and make my side part. I'm making my side part with a little curvature in the front. Once I'm satisfied with the part, I then section my hair off into 5 sections, putting them into Bentonite so that they don't dry out too much while I'm working on the rest of my hair. Now I'm going in with some water to spray the hair to make it a little damp. Then I go in with the Melanin multi-use pure oil blend. I really like this light oil, it has a lot of slip. Sorry it didn't focus, y'all, but this is a Carol's Daughter Coco Cream Curl Enhancing Moisture Butter. It's for very dry, curly to coily hair. This is my first time using this product and I really did enjoy it. It's a thick product, but it seems like it just melts into your hair. It doesn't just sit on top, and it has really good slip. It left my hair feeling moisturized, which is what I needed for this protective style. I then braided my hair all the way down, well mostly, and then I just twisted the ends. The reason that I prep my hair like this by putting it in braids is because I want my hair to get mostly stretched out before I put it into a bun, because when I don't, my hair just shrinks up and just tangles on itself. So I like to make sure my hair is stretched before I put it into a ponytail. I always like to go in with black castor oil at the end. This one is from Tropical Owl. I do that to seal in the moisture, so I'm just patting that on my roots and on the length of some of my hair. Then I'm going in with a t-shirt to remove some of the excess product. Then I'm just wrapping up my hair to go to bed. This is the next day, so I'm going ahead and taking my head wrap off, and I am going to unravel my braids. My hair is about 70% dry, which is okay that it's not fully dry. I don't want it to be fully dry. I just need it to be stretched, which you can see it is. So now I'm just going to make sure that the top of my hair is damp, because I need a damp base before I put this gel on my hair to make it smooth out easier. Now I'm just going to go in with my hands and make sure that all the top of my head is damp, that it did get that water. Now I'm applying the Eco Styler Gel, Black Castor, and Flaxseed Oil, that one. So I'm just putting that all over the top of my hair, just slathering it on. Don't be afraid of the gel. Don't be afraid. Now it's time to bring the brush out. So I just keep brushing my hair in the direction that I want it to go. It did get caught around my earring, but I keep brushing my hair in the direction I need it to go until it gets as smooth and as flat as I need it to be. So I just keep doing that. And I do use my hand to make sure that my hair remains as flat as I need it to be as I'm brushing it. Once it's as flat and as smooth as I need it, I then take a clip and clip that section off so that I could then work on the other side. Now I repeat the same thing on this side with brushing it in the same direction until it gets as flat as I need it to be. It takes a little longer on this side because there's more hair, but I just keep at it, just keep brushing, and you'll see how it all comes together where it does start to smooth out. Here I'm prepping my hair to put it into a ponytail. As you can see, it's not 100% perfect at this point in the front, but that is okay because as I put it into the ponytail, or once I'm done putting it into a ponytail, I could then go in and fix any imperfections that are in the front. You just want to make sure it's mostly good, but doesn't have to be perfect. I then tie my hair up with 2 satin scrunchies. I like using the satin ones more than just regular hair bands because it's a lot more gentle on my hair. Now I'm going in and fixing any imperfections in the front. Once I'm satisfied with my hair, I then braid the back. I do a loose braid because I'm going to put my hair into a bun and I want it to be full. The tighter you do the braid, the smaller your bun will be. The looser you do the braid, the more full it'll be. I wrap that braid around the ponytail and I secure it with a ponytail holder that looks like this. I then go in with Elasta QP, olive oil, and mango butter glaze conditioning shining gel. I take a little bit and rub that on my palms, rub that on my hair, and brush it in for added shine. It does have mineral oil as a third ingredient, so if there's one of those ingredients that you gotta stay away from, then this isn't for you. But I do like the added shine that it gives. Not necessary, but I do like adding this step. I then wrap up my hair so that it can set while I'm doing my makeup. Now I'm back with my makeup done and ooh, okay, pimp name slip back. Now so here is the finished product, and I really do enjoy this style because it's very multifunctional. You could wear this to a really nice event, you could wear it to work, you could wear it bumming around the house, the city, doesn't matter. It's a nice, quick, easy, protective style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do that. All of those things really do help out my channel. As always, I thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.